Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can add in audios to the CapCut apps. So open your project, or you can tap on your project, select your videos, photos that you want to edit, and to adding the audios to the CapCut, you are just going to select audios, select sound, and select file, select from files. So you can import from files. Just click on it and select your audios that you want to add to the CapCut. For example, select this one. So here we go. The sound has been added to the CapCut. Just click on add icon to add to your video. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.